Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the answer. The formula in all situation we have the integral s to the power of n ds. You will go about s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c is about constant. Now we will apply in here. Number 1, you will go about 5s to the power of 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1, and we have c in here. So we got about 5s to the power of 7 over 7, and we put about c is about constant. Now let's go to the next one. S to the power of 3, we got about s to the power of 4 over 4 plus c. Now let's go to the next one. We have 5s to the power of 4 over 4 minus 9s to the power of 3 over 3 plus 6s to the power of 2 over 2, and we have 2s plus c. Now let's go to the next one. This one we got about 2s to the power of 1 over 3 plus 1 over 1 over 3 plus 1 s to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1 s to the power of 3 over 4 plus 1 over 3 over 4 plus 1, and the last one you got about 3s, and we put about c in here. This one you got about 4 over 3, and this is about 4 over 3. This one you got about 3 over 2. This one you got about 7 over 4. This one you got about 7 over 4. And we simplify this one. We got about 3 over 2. Two over 3. And we got about 12 over 7. Three s plus c. This one we convert into the integral as to the power of 2 over 5 and this one we got about power 1, and this is about 1 over 3, 3 over 2, sorry. So that should be about 1 plus 3 over 2, and now we sum two numbers together, you got about 5 over 2. We do the same technique. This one is similar. This is about s to the power of 2 over 5 over s 2 over 3. This one similar for this one. So s to the power of 2 over 5 over s to the power of 2 over 3, we can get about s to the power of 2 over 5 minus 2 over 3, and we got about negative number 4 over 15. So we put this one go in here. And then we got the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. The integral of this one, you got about 2s to the power of 2, and we got about 2s to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. We got about 2 over 3s to the power of number 3 plus c. This one we got about the integral 1 over 2 s to the power of negative number 2 plus 2s to the power of negative number 6. So we got about 1 over 2 s to the power of negative number 2 plus 1 over negative number 2 plus 1. We simplify and you got the final answer. This one is about 1s to the power of 1 over 3. This one s to the power of 10. And this one we got about s to the power of negative 1 over 5. And the last one we got about the integral of square root of number 27 s to the power of 3 over 2 So last two integral in here you can do by yourself because they apply same formula. This is the end. Thank you for watching. This is about -5/2.